Dati sinabi ko sir, si Realme A1 is the cheapest and the most affordable smartphone na meron ni Xiaomi. And what naturally comes after A1, di ba? Redmi A2. But what more if you want a more beef up version ng A2? Here comes the Redmi A2 Plus. Hindi siya Pro, hindi siya Ultra, but Redmi A2 Plus. And dito sa ating kamay, this is a phone na right now, currently the cheapest, the most affordable one from Xiaomi, and it's priced at 3,499. Malalaman natin in this full video kung kamusta naman ka ng performance. Would it give you your everyday need on this smartphone? Don't go away after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako pala si Richard, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. This is the Redmi A2 Plus, the cheapest and the most affordable phone na meron ni Xiaomi. And it's being powered by the MediaTek Helio G36 processor, meron siyang fingerprint scanner, meron siyang 8MP na dual camera, and of course may 5,000 mAh siyang battery. So very entry level nga na specs, 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Ang meron natin right now is the light blue color. So, buksan lang natin. Ito yung bubungad sa inyo, no? So, hindi siya the usual box na nakikita nyo from Xiaomi. Parang libro siya na bubuksan mo siya. So, here's the phone. Tingnan muna natin the other things inside. We have your charger dito, which I believe should be just a 10 watts charger. And yes, indeed, it's a 10 watts charger. Andito yung micro USB cable. Probably the only thing that is a downgrade, no, among the phones na nahawakan ko for this year. This is a micro USB. And we have some documentation na normally walang nagbabasa. Quickly, buksan natin. Let's take it out. So, this is the Redmi A2 Plus. And kita mo, all the specs na nakaprint dito is nabasa na rin natin kanina sa labas. Let me give you a quick phone tour. So, checking it underneath, nandiyan kanyang audio jack, kanyang micro USB port, and of course, kanyang microphone in. And on the side, andyan ang kanyang SIM tray, which pag i-check natin, so kita natin, it's a triple card slot. Good job. So, dalawang 4G SIM plus isang microSD expansion. And sa ibabaw kanyang loudspeaker. And on the other side, kanyang power button and of course, volume rocker. Sa likod, ang kanyang dual camera setup, 8MP na may flash. And of course, kanyang fingerprint scanner. And pag bukas natin ng screen, kita mo dito kanyang punch hole. And medyo thick lang kanyang bezel all the way down to the chin. Medyo makapal din. So like I said, it's a light version. So since it's a Android 13 na Go edition, so this is a more lighter version ng Android. Lahat naman makita mo na settings dito. Very easy to access. What I like dito sa Xiaomi na Mi 14. And pwede ka palit ng mga themes mo dito should you want it. So medyo palitan lang natin a little bit more to the greener side. Kita natin na mas cool sa ating mata ang color green. So pwede natin babaan konti ang ating brightness para hindi masyadong glary sa ating screen. And of course, we have a running na Google Play Store here. And I did try to play a quick game sa Firelight 84, which is quite unplayable kasi sobrang mapapansin mo, sobrang lag. And the phone na ito has a 6.52-inch na IPS LCD with a maximum brightness of 400 nits. And this one can display up to 720p like I said, and it has a 81% screen to body ratio. So if you're watching all of your favorite shows dito sa phone na ito, I would say quite watchable naman siya. Okay naman ang presentation dito sa phone na ito. Just don't expect too much lang sa niya na you'll be getting some bright display like AMOLED. But this one, okay naman siya. When you're on a budget and you want to binge watch yung mga favorite shows, kayang-kaya nito phone na ito. So, yeah. Swiping left and right, okay naman. Hindi mo masasabi na sobrang pigil. Though medyo masanay nang dalaga ako sa mga 90Hz of screen refresh rate. This one is a 60Hz of screen refresh rate. It's pretty much okay. So right now, mag-quick sound test lang tayo. And I will show you na hindi ganun kahina ang kanyang loudspeaker. O diba? Nung nilagay natin sa sagad ang kanyang volume, medyo okay ang kanyang sound. Hindi siya ganun kahina for a single firing loudspeaker at this budget price point. Now, itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh na battery, supporting up to 10 watts of charging. Well, charging from 10 to A100 took me around mga 3 hours to complete the charging cycle. Medyo may kunting katagalan. But what's nice dito is ang kanyang phone can last you for almost 3 days on normal usage. And I would say na syempre itong phone na ito wouldn't really give you that heavy gaming experience. But yung mga entry-level games, kaya-kaya naman niya. Mostly, you'll be using this phone for basic photography, mga sobrang basic lang social media, and of course, taking some phone calls. Yan ang pinaka-trabaho talaga nito phone na ito. And it can last you for 3 days. And ang ganyang main camera is a 8MP together with a 0.08 na depth sensor. And sa harap niya is a 5MP na front-facing shooter. Both can shoot up to 1080p and 30 FPS. So, tinay naman natin kumuha ng some sample shots on outdoors. I would say na okay, pretty decent naman mga shots na nakuha ko. Not the brightest, not the sharpest, but for a entry-level phone, I would say na pretty decent na rin siya. But there's times na medyo hirap siya mag-focus. Mapapansin mo, on the first snap, medyo hindi siya focus. All you need to do is just simply to tap on the subject para makuha mo ng focus na picture just like this one. Taking some indoor low light shot, okay naman siya. It's good na kaya naman niya enhance kunti ang kanyang lighting to give you some better shots on the indoor situation. And what's nice naman sa kanya is ang kanyang selfie camera. I would say na pretty decent naman siya for a 5MP na selfie camera that can perform like this. Mapa-indoor man or outdoor, no? Hindi siya ganun kapangit. Honestly, I was expecting na ganun katino ang shots na makukuha ko dito. But nevertheless, it was giving me some good selfie shots. And taking a look naman sa kanyang mga videos, ang kanyang front-facing camera is sobrang stable. To my surprise, I was really expecting na, well, ganun ka-stable itong camera ni Redmi A2 on the front. Not bad, not bad. And ang kanyang rear camera, well, ang problem niya is na-focus hunting siya. So, you need to tap the center para mag-focus siya sa center para medyo mawala ang focus hunting. And tinap ko, so medyo nawala focus hunting. And mapapansin mo, okay naman ka ng video. A little bit shaky and shooting at 1080p and 30 FPS. Okay naman siya, just don't expect too much lang. And yeah, it probably is your perfect na phone when you're really on a tight budget, or even if you just want a backup na phone, this is probably one of the go-to phones na pwede mong i-consider. So guys, this one is right now currently priced at $3,499. The Xiaomi official global store that I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit yung bell icon para hindi mo miss future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.